Hello Connections. I am Alkesh Mohandas, excited to share my latest hotel guest feedback dashboard in Power BI. Database is an Excel which I got from Learn Excel Solutions YouTube channel. Objective of dashboard number 1 to give overall rating of customer feedback in the range of 1 to 5. Number 2 calculate NPS which ranges between 1 to 10 where 10 means highest and 1 means lowest. Net Promoter Score (NPS) means chance of referring hotel services by customer to others. NPS rating is stated in the header of the dashboard. NPS is calculated by subtracting promoter score percentage minus detractors score percentage. Number third is calculate aggregate rating in feedback category for different services like staff, room, restaurant, facility with rating in the range of 1 to 5 where 5 is the highest rating. Attachments with this dashboard is linked to the dashboard. Interactive link it is and guiding video for usage of dashboard. Key metrics and various chart which I have shown for presenting overall rating, NPS scores and other information are guest count and overall rating. Gate chart for NPS score and clustered bar chart categorizing guest aggregate count into NPS scales. Out of total 1948 guests, 926 are promoters, 523 are passives and 499 are detractors. Donut chart categorizing customers count into purpose of visit and gender. Then clustered column chart for calculating aggregate category wise feedback rating. Clustered pie chart categorizing guest aggregate count into information they got about hotel services and repeat chart showing the same quarter wise. If we are hovering the mouse over the ribbon chart, we can get the count of customers in each source quarter wise and changes in each quarter. We can see this right now. Only size slicer used in the dashboard is for the date, but we can filter the report as per requirement by clicking on any of the visuals in the dashboard. Now I will click the slicer and visual to show how other visuals respond to the selection. Date range is changed to 6 months instead of 3 years, due to which overall rating changes. We can see the rating has changed. Selecting detractors in clustered pie chart for total NPS category rating, we can see how the other visuals react. Selecting business in the purpose of visit guest pie chart and female in the gender pie chart. Selecting internet advertisement in clustered pie chart and quarterly ribbon chart. We can also adjust the slider in the quarterly ribbon chart. The slider in the quarterly ribbon chart if we have to check the details of the selected quarters. Now we can see that we can see only the selected quarters over here in detail once we adjust the slider. That's all from the filter side of the dashboard, and please provide your feedback on the dashboard. If you find the information useful, please press the like button and repost to spread knowledge. Looking for more opportunities in this field.